Well, hello, hello, hello. I'm telling you, people, if it weren't for bad luck, I'd have none at all. And I would be okay with that. Listen, guys, the live or the premiere is not going to go off at 6 p.m. as anticipated. I am so sorry for that. My upload failed and I'm having to re-upload. And the internet's being really squirrely on me right now. I anticipate being able to go live at 7:30 p.m. Please, please forgive me. I will be there. I am so sorry for the East Coasters because that's starting to get late at night, and I didn't want to go past 9 o'clock. I thought that was late enough. But I'm going to make this short and sweet. I'm just letting you guys know it is not happening at 6 p.m. It is happening at 7:30 Pacific Standard Time. Thanks a lot. Again, I am so, so sorry. I'll see you in a bit.